Welcome to my new listing at 4 Piedmont, located behind the private gated community of Dove Canyon. This is a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home. When you first enter the property, you are greeted with cathedral ceilings and an oversized living room that opens up to the dining room. And as you can see, the property is extremely upgraded. This kitchen's been completely remodeled. And yes, you guessed it, a professional designer assisted with selecting some of these high-end finishes and the color palette. Every bathroom has been remodeled. There are luxury vinyl floors throughout the entire property. There are custom lighting accents and window treatments through the entire property. But what I love most about this property is its location. You are on an oversized lot with a beautiful resort-style pool. It's perfect for enjoying the tranquil private surroundings. Believe this backyard. It's so private, and look how beautiful the pool is. If you would like to take a private showing of this property, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.